Let's get ready to roll. Aha, the quartz roller. Notice that it has a big end and a small end. First, we must use serum. Definitely put something on your face to roll on. Next, we are going to use the moisturizer. I always put an oil on, especially the Baobob oil. So good for your skin. Nourishing, anti-inflammatory, smooth. When you're doing under your eyes, you must tread very lightly, like a feather. Don't forget your neck. Let's get ready to roll. Start with the big section. You're going to start with your jawline and move in upward strokes towards your lymphatic system, which is near your hairline. I use the smaller for my chin and underneath my nose. I use the larger end for my forehead, and then under the eyes again, moving very slowly and very lightly, still moving in upward strokes. You can also do your brow bone, again, upward strokes. Don't forget to do your neck, and you can even do your chest, starting in the middle and then go in outward strokes, draining all the toxins, all the troubles of your day away. Happy rolling!